Hello, sixth grade. Today we're going to talk about Lesson 24, Exercise 6. This problem says Marty owns a lawn mowing service. His company, which consists of 3 employees, has 100 lawns to mow this week. Use the 10 by 10 grid to model how the work could have been distributed between the 3 employees. So what we're going to do, I am going to give you the percents for each of the 3 employees, and then I'm going to ask you to pause the video and complete the problem on your own. Then come back and check your work by watching the remainder of the video. So for employee 1, we are going to use 24%. For employee 2, we are going to use 36%. And for employee 3, we are going to use 40%. So now you are going to complete the problem and come back and check your work. Pause the video now. Okay, now we're going to check the work. So if we have 24%, I would write that as a fraction, 24 over 100, and then I would simplify the fraction by dividing both the numerator and the denominator by 4. 24 divided by 4 is 6. 100 divided by 4 is 25. To make the decimal, I look at 24%. I move the decimal 2 places to the left and get 0.24. 24% also means that I would shade in 2 full rows on my 10 by 10 grid and 4 additional boxes. Again, it does not matter if you chose to do 2 rows across the top, if you chose to do 2 rows going down like I did, whether you did the top 4, the bottom 4, that doesn't matter as long as you have 2 rows and 4 additional boxes. Now, for 36%, I'm going to take 36% and put it over 100, 36 out of 100. And again, I'm going to divide by 4, which gives me 9 over 25 as my reduced fraction form. And then 36% is 0.36. And I'm going to shade in the other 6 boxes here. And then 30, I need 3 additional rows. Okay. And then for the final row, 40%, I would put 40 over 100. And then I would simplify this. You can do it in a couple of steps if you want to. You could divide by 10 first and get 4 over 10. Or you could go ahead and divide by 20 to begin with. 40 divided by 20 is 2. 100 divided by 20 is 5. So again, it may take you more than one step, but you need to simplify to 2/5. Then again, I move my decimal 2 places. This is going to be 0.40, or I could also just write it as 0.4. Both would be correct. And I'm going to shade in the last 4 rows of my 10 by 10 grid so that exercise 6 is complete.